economic systems. There are three types of systems. One is capitalist, next is socialist, and the third one is mixed. Okay, capitalist economic system, there exists competition. In such an economic system, prices of commodities can be determined by the factors of production and the market forces of demand and supply. I mean, there is competition in buyers and sellers both. I mean, the consumers can have the product in a very lower price, or the lowest price I should say, because if there is A, B, C, three types of producers, and X, Y, Z, three types of consumers in this capitalist economic system, all the producer producing the same product. Suppose soap, same type of soap. So A is charging 10, B is charging 10.5, C is charging 10.6. So every buyer will go to A. Okay, so in that case, no one will go to B and C, because the same product will be, same product here, the price is high. So obviously they will not buy. So in that case, there is a competition among A, B and C, three producers. So they have to, maintain a price range which is lowest impossible. I mean, if all they charge 10 for the same product, or more features with same price, then all the consumers will go to B or C. Okay, in that case we say that only the producers who can compete with the other producers by giving more featured products in a lower price or lowest price can sustain in this economy. Okay, next is socialist economic system. Means the factors of productions are not owned by private entrepreneurs, rather they are owned by the government or the society as a whole. So moreover, production takes place not with the profit motive, but with the social motive as a whole. And here no high price is charged, not the exploitation of labor is done here. Firstly, it may be owned by the government or the society as a whole, and the second form of social ownership is cooperative organization, where all the cooperative members has the same right or equal rights. So in socialist economic system, no one can influence the price of the products. Like, only government or the society can influence the price of the product. Okay, and as the production process, as the entrepreneurs or the private productions also do not produce in profit motive, no exploitation is done here. Okay, mixed economic system is nothing but the mixture of capitalist and socialist economic system. Okay, I mean, mixed economic system has the same features of capitalist and socialist economic system. And in this mixed economic system, there are two sectors. One is private sector, and another one is public sector. Both sectors can influence the price, the market force of demand and supply. Okay.